Good morning, Bendy Babes. What's up today? Are you ready for the weekend? Well, I surely am, and I was just so excited to be able to bring you this full box variation of the January 2020 Premium Box. So I am so excited with this box and for everybody that's getting it this month. So you're going to want to see these products. It's just amazing. Before we get into that, if there's anybody wanting to get a premium box, first, you need to subscribe to Boxy Charm. All it costs is $25 a month. You'll receive the 5 full-size beauty products, which are amazing. I'll link my video of the first box reveal up here. You'll be able to choose a product each month, and that box will be valued at least $125. Now, once you're a charmer, then you can get on the wait list for Boxy Charm's Premium Box. And that is a $35 box, and it is monthly. And you'll get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. Always free shipping on all the boxes. You'll get 1 custom product. You'll get early access to add-ons and Boxy pop-up. There's just so many things you'll get. And once you get activated for Boxy Premium, you can always either choose Boxy Charm or the Premium anytime. It just has to be in a month where you don't get Boxy Lux if you're getting Boxy Lux. So those off months where you're offered Boxy Charm or Premium, you can get both, or you can pick which one you want as long as you're activated for Premium. So let's get with it, ladies. Let's check this out. And I just want to remind each and every one of you, please hit that subscribe button. You know how my channel is. Half of the people watching now are not subscribed, so please help my channel out by hitting that subscribe button. And if you like my video at the end, hit that like button. So let's get with it. Let's check out this premium box. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, in this variation, the first product is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams eyeshadow palette. This sells for $45. And this is a girl's trip to remember with the Palm Springs inspired palette of fresh cocktail colors and dazzling party-ready finishes. The warm sparkling shades add a multi-dimensional glow to any look. Everyone's seen this beautiful palette. It's just gorgeous. I can't wait to try that orange and that blue color together, and you'll always have that pretty brown in there. And so many beautiful glittery finishes. Look at the pink and the gold. Just a beautiful little palette. And I'm sure it smells amazing. Our next product is a skincare product, which we've seen before. It's the Farzali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. And this sells for $54 for 1 ounce. This is a hybrid makeup skincare serum that promises to deliver a glossy, long-lasting, radiant skin look in one single step. This liquid glass can be used as a radiating skin serum or as a primer before makeup application. So you apply prior to, mixed with, or layered on top of skincare or makeup for a luminous finish. The third product is kind of an iconic product. It is from Kat Von D, the Lolita Single Eyeshadow. And this single sells for $19. This is an ultra blendable matte eyeshadow inspired by Kat Von D's best-selling Chestnut Rose lipstick shade. And if you look, Kat Von D's very noted for Lolita. She has the Lolita regular, the original Lolita lipstick, which is the same shade as this eyeshadow. She has Lolita 2, Lolita 3. So it's a prominent shade in her line. And that lipstick she has sold a lot of. It's one of her best-selling products, and so has this shade. So I think it's very pretty. I love the little packaging. If I were to get a single eyeshadow, this is a great one to get. Next, we have another skincare product by Laneige. It's the Fresh Calming Mousse Moisturizer, and this sells for $29. This is for all skin types, normal, oily, combination, and dry. This is an airy mousse moisturizer that delivers visibly calming hydration, the perfect match to makeup. And it's good for concerns redness and oiliness. So if you have oily skin or if your skin is very acne prone skin and it gets red and irritated very easy, it's very sensitive to products, this will be a moisturizer that helps calm your skin. It won't irritate it in any kind of way. This will help calm down that sensitivity. And I think especially if you do have oily skin type, this will be good for you. Reading the comments, the people who really love this product are people that have sensitive skin that have a hard time putting anything on their skin that doesn't cause it to get red. This is a really calming moisturizer. Okay, our next product is a brow product from Billion Dollar Brows. It's the Best Sellers Kit, and this sells for normally $42, but it's actually worth $68. If you're just getting started on your brow journey, our eyebrow makeup kit is the perfect way to do it. With a $68 retail value, it includes everything you need to begin, and it's also perfect for brow professionals who want to stock up on the necessities. They say that all their makeup they sell is crafted by experts to be the best formula for your brows. With this kit, you'll get high quality makeup and easy to use applicators. Create a look you've always loved but haven't yet attempted. So in this kit, you'll get a brow pencil to shape and define your natural eyebrows, a highlight and contour. It's the Brow Duo pencil. With this one end of the pencil gives you the warmth of a highlighter to add lift to your brows. The other end features a concealer for touch-ups. You also get brow gel. The brow gel glides on and keeps your eyebrows and makeup in place. This eyebrow kit has the tools you'll need to get the perfect professional look. The smudge brush is perfect for putting your creamy makeup on while keeping your eyebrows natural looking. The spoolie on the opposite end of the universal pencil will help you blend your eyebrows out, and you'll feel like your brows are made for even more. So this is a very good brow kit. This should be all you need to have to do your complete brows. Very nice. So our sixth product, which is our last, is from a brand, Saint Luxe Beauty. It's an eyeliner trio. In this trio, you'll get a black liner, a nude liner, and a bronze liner. These three liners are everything you'll need. You can use black. You know, black is a universal eyeliner that everyone needs. The nude you can use inside your lower lid to make your eyes appear brighter and bigger. You can use the bronze in your lower lash line and smudge it in, or you can use it on top and bottom and smudge it in. You can do a lot with a bronze liner and a smoky look. So these three will be a great addition to this box. So we are getting so many products with this premium in January. Just think about it. Just that Billion Dollar Brows kit has actually 4 items in it. Then you have 3 more liners. So you're getting so many products. Okay, this first box variation, it should be at least $175, and it is valued at $244. And I used the lower value for the Billion Dollar Brow, the $42. I didn't use the $68, and it is at $244. That is a lot of value for your buck. So people, if you're not subscribed, I have that link down below. Just for joining right now, you will get not 1 but 2 free gifts. You will get the 3-piece Luxie brush set, as well as the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. These value at least $65. So you cannot go wrong with this. If you love makeup as much as I do, Boxy Charm is a must. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Bendy Babes, what is your favorite product in this box? Let me know in the comments. I'm anxious to see. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that like button if you liked my video. And until I see you next time, take care. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
I see a sky.